we will show you what we learned in English and music class.
In English, we have learned about how to make procedure texts, and now we are learning how to make poetry.
Meanwhile, in the music program, we learn about musical poetry.
So we try to make poetry and change it into a song lyrics. Do you want to know more?
Let's go and watch it together. Musical poetry from Year 3 Magenta entitled Our Friendship.
So what do you think about the song? Is it beautiful?
Now we are going to tell you more about poetry.
There are many features in poetry. Do you know that?
This semester we learned 3 features of poetry in our English class. Features are imaginary, rhyme, and also connotation and denotation meaning. Let's break it down one by one.
First, let's learn about imagery. Imagery is using our senses to explain our experiences in our poetry. So, in your poetry, you can explain what you see, what you hear, what you feel, what you taste, what you touch, and even what you smell.
see your big smile and want to listen to you sing. That is called imagery because it helps you to imagine it.
Next, let's learn about rhyme. Have you realized that there are a lot of songs with catchy rhyme? For example, like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star or Itsy Bitsy Spider.
There are various types of rhyme in poetry. It can be AABB, ABAB, or even ABBA.
Have a look at the song that we made. What's the rhyme? Yes, it's A B A B A.
Next, let's learn about connotation and denotation. Denotation is word with real meanings. Most of the time, we use denotation when we speak. Meanwhile, connotation is words with unreal meaning. Can you find the connotation in this poem? Our friendship is the best. We are best friends forever. I'm the bird, you are the nest. Never stops like a river.
Yes, we can find connotation in the sentences I am the bird and you're the nest and never stops like a river. Because I am not a river, bird, or nest. But these sentences means that my friendship is always forever flowing like a river and me and my friend are always together like the bird and its nest.
Now that we have explained what we know about poetry, we would love to show you our poetry that we made for our song.
Please check this link and leave your comments to our poem.
Don't forget to like and give us feedback.